Assembling and disassembling computer system. Disassembling computer system. First, unscrew the tool at the back of the computer. Opening the case, or what we call the outer shell. Second, you need to unplug all power supply cables. After you finish unplugging all the cable, unscrew the screw bolt of power supply unit and remove the power supply unit. After removing the processor fan, pull the pin, then remove the processor. Remove the CPU cooling fan or heat sink. After removing the processor fan, pull the pin, then remove the processor. Remove the screws holding the motherboard to the case and carefully lift it out. Assembling computer system. Take back the motherboard and screw it properly. In installing a processor, we must apply a thermal paste on the top of it. Install CPU cooling fan or heat sink. Install the hard disk drive and screw the two bolts. Install the power supply and screw the bolt of the power supply. Connect all internal cables. And the last one, close the case to protect all the components of computer system. That's all. Thank you for watching. And the last one is closing the case to protect all components of computer system. That's all. Thank you for watching.